So here we'll have a closer look at these table leg extensions. They're made out of 1.5-inch steel tubing, and they've got a cap at the bottom, and that serves will contact the floor and won't allow the steel to mar up the floor. There's a 1/4-20 bolt through here, and the distance is 6.5 inches from the bottom here of the plastic to the top of the bolt, which is inside the tubing. And so what happens is you slip this onto the table leg, and it goes down and rests on the bolt that's going across inside there. And then there's there's a nut here that's welded to the side, and this little thumb screw, you can use that to tighten onto. It'll clamp against the inside of the table leg so it won't fall off if you lift it up or move it. And so these are used to allow a table to be set up on a stair situation where there's in this case it's 6.5 inches of a step elevation.